Good morning, children. Now I am going to take science for you. So this is lesson number 1, a day in the garden revision. Okay, children. So if you have completed the classwork, please open your classwork and listen what I am reading. Okay, children. So if you have not completed the classwork, see this video and complete the classwork. Okay, children. So this is revision science lesson number 1. The lesson name is a day in the garden. So first main hard words. First one parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Second one crow, C-R-O-W, crow. Third one peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Fourth one crane, C-R-A-N-E, crane. Fifth one sparrow, S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. Sixth one ostrich, O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. Seventh one pigeon, P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Eighth one housefly, H-O-U-S-C-F-L-Y, housefly. Ninth one tortoise, T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E, tortoise. Tenth one frog, F-R-O-G, frog. 11th one buffaloes, B-U-F-F-A-L-O-E-S, buffaloes. 12th one mosquito, M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O, mosquito. 13th one honeybee, H-O-N-E-Y-B-E-E, honeybee. 14th one elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. 15th one goat, G-O-A-T, goat. Okay, children. Now, second main, answer the following questions in one word. First one, which is the green bird? So answer is parrot. Okay, children. Now I am reading second main. Answer the following questions in one word. First one, which is the green bird? So answer is parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Second one, which is the black bird? So answer is crow, C-R-O-W, crow. Okay, children, which is a black bird means the bird will be in black color, so that is crow, C-R-O-W, crow. Third one, which is the long-tailed bird? So the long-tailed bird is peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Fourth one, which is the long-legged bird? So which bird has long leg? So answer is crane, C-R-A-N-E, crane. Okay, children. So first one, which is a green bird means parrot. So the color will be green in color. So that is a parrot. So which is a black bird means crow. So it is black in color. So third one, which is a long-tailed bird. So which bird has long tail means peacock. Fourth one, which is a long-legged bird. So which bird has long leg means crane. Okay, children. Now fifth one, which is a bird that has a long neck. So which bird has long neck means crane, C-R-A-N-E, crane. But in animal, which animal has long neck means, so giraffe. So animal means giraffe, bird means crane, C-R-A-N-E, crane. Next sixth one, which is the bird that has a long beak? So long beak, which bird has means hummingbird. Answer is hummingbird, H-U-M-M-I-G, humming, B-I-R-D, bird, hummingbird. Next seventh one, what is the food of the crane? So crane means kokore. What it will eat? So what is the food of that crane? Crane means kokore. So answer is fish. 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 Fish means meenu. ಸೊ ಅದು ಕೊಕ್ಕರೆ ಬಂದು ಮೀನನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 8 ಒನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫುಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಈಗಲ್? ಸೊ ಈಗಲ್ ಬಂದು ಏನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಈಗಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಈಟ್ ಅನದರ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಲೆಶ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಿಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈಟ್ ದ ಫ್ಲೆಶ್. ಸೊ FLESH ಫ್ಲೆಶ್. ಓಕೆ children, so once again I am repeating. 5th one, which is a bird that has a long neck means crane. 6th one, which is a bird that has a long beak? ಅಂದರೆ ಉದ್ದ ಬೀಕ್ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವ ಬರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 7th one, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫುಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ರೇನ್? ಕೊಕ್ಕರೆಗೆ ಏನು ಊಟ, ಏನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಿಶ್. ಫಿಶ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೀನು. 8th one, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫುಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಈಗಲ್? So it will eat flesh. So 9th one, which is the smallest bird that you have seen? So smallest bird means ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿರೋ ಬರ್ಡು. ಓಕೆ children, ಸೊ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿರೋ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಯಾವುದು? ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾರೋ. SPARROW. ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾರೋ ಅಂದರೆ ಗುಬ್ಬಚ್ಚಿ. ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾರೋ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 10th ಒನ್, ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್? ಅಂದರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಪಕ್ಷಿ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಚ್. OSTRICH. ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಚ್. ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರೋ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಚ್ಚು. OSTRICH. ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಚ್. Okay students, so these are the question answers. 10 question answers is there. Next is match the following. Okay children, so next is match the following. In the A side they are given monkey, second one honeybee, third one lion, fourth one fish. So in the B side they are given hive, second one the tree, third one pond, fourth one cave. So you must match them. You can write numbers or you can draw the lines. So children, first one monkey. So where it will be children, that monkey? So it will be on the tree. So in the B side, in the second line, there is tree. So for monkey and tree, you put one line. Otherwise, you write near the tree number 1. Second one, honeybee. So what it will give children, honeybee? So it will give hive. So where it will be? It will be in the hive and it gives us honey. So in the B side, in the first line, hive is there. So for honeybee and hive, you put one line, or for hive, you write number 2. Third one, lion. So lion, where it will live children? So it will live in the cave. Cave means guhe. So in the B side, in the fourth line, cave is there. So for lion and cave, you put one line or write there number 3. Fourth one, fish. So fish, where it will be children? So in the water, in the pond or near the water. Inside the water it will be. So in the B side, in the third line, pond is there. So for fish and pond, you put one line or you write there number 4. Okay children, I will read correct answer. Monkey, tree, honeybee, hive, lion, cave, fish, pond. Okay children, so these are the revisions. Okay children, first main odd words, second main fill in the question answers, and third main match the following. Okay children, so any doubt children? So if you have any doubt, please ask me. I think you could have understood this revision. So once again, I am saying that if you have already completed the classwork, you practice in the rough note or if you have not completed the classwork, please see this video and complete the classwork. Okay children, thank you children.